Trying to pick some locks. Trying not to hit the camera. Failing at both. Ow. Having sweat drip in my eyes. It's not even hot here. I'm still sweating. Okay, one down, quite a few more to go. This Abus lock is a good example of how you can damage a lock by picking it too much. Although the pick isn't what did the damage. What I had been tensioning it by putting a tension wrench in here, and what happened over time was that this piece of metal just snapped off. So it is possible to damage a lock. Now what I'm trying to do is pick these locks so that I can put them away.